Hey guys, so something huge just happened. You can see right here, Elon Musk tweeted KEKIUS Maximus. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correct, but this meme coin just went, I think, from 10 million to $100 million in market cap. And you know, biggest meme coins are in 1 billion, 7 billion, 15 billion and more dollars in market cap. This means that if this coin has a potential to go to 1 billion, that will be around 10x from this price. That's why I am bullish. Although everything can go to zero in this crypto space, why I am bullish on this particular meme coin is because, first of all, Elon Musk tweeted about it. That's the first thing. And I think that the meme coins, the memes that Elon Musk is talking about tweeting, these are the most organic because there are no secret influencers, secret cabals, secret basically token sales that the public don't know about. That's why if we are talking about meme coins, I am preferring these ones that Elon Musk is basically pumping unintentionally. And you can see this coin, I think, was created in December 14th. So this was basically a meme coin before this was a thing. And yes, basically few hours ago, Elon Musk tweeted this KEKIUS Maximus, and he also changed his profile picture. You can see a Pepe. That's why I think this meme will be huge. And similarly to Sheba, when he basically tweeted Sheba in, I think, May 2021, like 5th or 6th May, something like that. I basically went, I bought like $500 worth of Sheba, and it basically went 7x in one day, in few hours. That was insane. But I personally sold it quite early because later it went again like 10x from that price. That's why I think this KEKIUS Maximus meme coin could be huge, because right now the market cap is only 100 million. And as you know, Shiba Inu all-time high was $40 billion. If for any reason this happens to this KEKIUS Maximus meme coin, it will mean that right now the market cap is only 100 million. To 1 billion, it will make a 10x. To 10 billion, it will be a 100x. And if it goes to 40 billion, that will be a 400x. That's basically the most bullish scenario that could happen, but you don't know. Nothing in crypto is promised or guaranteed. That's why this video is not a financial advice. But again, I hope this coin goes at least 10x, because I bought some. And this is still early. We are not in a true euphoria. The true euphoria will start most likely in 2025, February or March. I think the January will still be insane because, you know, the president will take his spot and he's really bullish on crypto. But if you are talking about meme coins, again, I think 99% of meme coins are basically pumped by these meme coin influencers, Twitch influencers. I will not call any names. That's the real truth. And when Elon Musk is unintentionally talking about some meme coin, or just talking posting some weird phrases, weird words, like he did in 2021 as well, and many meme coins were basically pumping, going up like crazy. That's what I prefer if you're talking about meme coins, and I think these will grow organically. And again, $100 million in market cap when Elon Musk is talking about meme coin, I think that's really, really low. Do your own research. I just wanted to make this video so people that love these opportunities the way that I like, they can get in these early. And my opinion is, if you get 2x, 3x, 4x, get out early. If you're not in this space 24/7 like I am, you should play it safe. And yeah, if you are new to crypto and if you want to start trading, you can use my referral link to get up to $30,000 for trading if you're signing up to Bybit. I'm using Bybit all day long. You can also use leverage trading. That's why, again, if you want to get up to $30,000 in bonuses, you can use my referral link to sign up, do the KYC. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, press thumbs up, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on early alpha like this, early NFTs, early meme coin plays. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.